Hello everyone. In this video, we will see Python sets. Okay, uh, sets are ordered. So sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set is one of four built-in data types in Python and used to store collection of data. And other three are list, tuple, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Okay, so everything is unordered here, unchangeable and unindexed. Okay, and list was like ordered, changeable, and allowed duplicates, right? Tuple was ordered, unchangeable, but allowed duplicates. Set is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. So if you want to remember these, okay, so you can imagine the set is completely set. Okay, so this data structure is is set in this way that nothing can be done here. Everything is here. Okay, unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Okay, set items are unchangeable. Okay, but you can remove items and add new items. Sets, okay, so you can remove and add new items. Sets are written with curly brackets. This one, like array in C. Okay, array in C programming language. This set, apple, banana, cherry, print this set. So you can see here, sets are unordered, so you cannot be sure in which order the item will appear. Let's see, banana, cherry, apple, apple, banana, cherry. Let's see again. Uh, okay. Set items are unordered. Okay, unordered, unchangeable, do not allow duplicate values. So it is completely set, guys. Okay, this data structure is completely set in a way that nothing can be done here. Okay, it doesn't even allow duplicates. Okay, unordered means that the items in a set do not have a defined order. Set items can appear in different order every time you use them and cannot be referred to by index or key. Okay, unchangeable, set items are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change the items after the set has been created. Okay, so we cannot change them also. Once a set is created, you cannot change its item, but you can remove items and add new items. Okay, so removing and adding items is allowed, but you cannot change or create anything. Duplicates not allowed. Set cannot have two items with the same value. Example: duplicate values will be ignored. This set, apple, banana, cherry, and apple again. So if you see, apple is being banana, cherry, apple, and one apple is being ignored, right? So duplicate is not allowed here. The value true and 1 are considered the same value in sets and are treated as duplicates, right? So 2 and 1 is considered the same value. Apple, banana, cherry, true, 1, 2, right? So if you see here, true, only true is coming here, and uh, 2. This one is ignored. Banana, cherry, apple. So you see, there is no specific order of them. True was here, but when you print, true is here in the beginning, right? There is no specific order. Example: false and 0 is considered the same value. This set, apple, banana, cherry, false, true, 0, right? False and 0 is considered the same value. So print this set. You see, false is coming here, true is coming here. So 0 is not being printed. False and 0 is considered as the same, right? Get the length of a set. Okay, to determine how many items a set has, use the len function. Get the number of items in a set. So this is same for other data structures. Set items, data types. Set items can be of any data type. Okay, string, integer, boolean data types. Apple, banana, cherry. So items can be any data type. A set can contain different data types, like this one. So we saw this for list and tuple as well, right? Apple, banana, cherry, 15793 false, true, false. Okay, so a set with strings, integers, and boolean values: ABC, 34, true, 40, male. If you see, There are many different types of data types here. uh, Type from Python's perspective, set are defined as object with the data type set. Okay, so if you see the type here, my set equals this one. So type is class set, right? The set constructor, it is also possible to use the set constructor to make a set. Example, using the set constructor to make a set. This set apple, banana, cherry. Okay, uh, okay. So when you define a method, when you define the set method, you have to provide first bracket, and all the values are inside the first bracket. This is the difference. Okay, apple, cherry, banana. Python collections array. There are four collection data types in Python programming language: list, tuple, set, dictionary. A collection which is ordered and changeable allows duplicate members. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allows duplicate members. Set is a collection which is unordered. So anyway, which one of this is a set? My set, my set. This is and then true or false. Set items cannot be removed after the set has been created. Uh, False. We can remove and add. True or false. A set cannot have two items with the same value. Uh, True. It doesn't allow duplicates. And select the correct function for returning the number of items in a set. Fruits, apple, banana, cherry. So len correct function to return number of items. Access set items. You cannot access items in a set by referring to an index or key, but you can look through the set items for using items using a for loop, or ask if a specified value is present in a set by using the in keyword. Okay, so loop through the set and print the values. um, this set apple, banana, cherry, for x in this set print x, right? Cherry, banana, apple, apple, banana, cherry, cherry, banana, apple, right? Okay, check if banana is present in the set. This set apple, banana, cherry, print banana in this set. So true. Example, if check if banana is not present in the set. This set apple, banana, cherry, print banana is not a banana, not in this set, right? uh, False, because banana is in this set, right? Change items. Once a set is created, you cannot change each item, but you can add new items. Okay, so we can we can carry out for loop in x set, but we cannot is unindexed, right? So we cannot define, or you cannot access items. Exercise, true or false. You can access set items by referring to the index. False. Check if apple is present in the fruit set. Fruits, apple, banana, cherry. If apple, okay. uh, this set apple, banana, cherry, print banana, not in this set. Apple, banana, cherry, print banana, not in this set. This should be false. Add set items. Python add set items. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. Okay, so to add one item to set, okay, add method, we get to add item set, add an item to a set using the add method. This set apple, banana, cherry, and this set orange, and you see this is coming here. So you never know where it will go. will be random, right? Add set, to add items from another set into the current set, use the update method. Add elements from tropical to this set. So this set apple, banana, cherry, tropical, pineapple, mango, papaya, right? Apple, banana, cherry, tropical, pineapple, mango, papaya. This set update tropical, right? So this set dot update tropical. So all of them will be mixed, right? You see apple, banana, cherry. So they are, you know, they are being mixed, right? We don't know where which order they are following. Apple, then mango, cherry, then pineapple, banana, then papaya. So this is how it organizes. Um, okay. So add any iterable. The object in the update method does not have to be set. It can be iterable object, tuple, list, dictionary, right? So to update, uh, so this can be tuple and maybe list, whatever, right? One item can be set, and another item can be tuple, list, dictionary, any of them, right? So this dot update my list. You see, uh, we can, yeah, this is a good thing. Exercise. What is the correct syntax for adding items to a set? Adding item, add. Uh, Use the add method to add orange to the fruits set. Use the add method to add orange to the fruits set. Okay, so fruits, apple, banana, cherry. Okay, fruits dot add orange, right? Use the correct method to add multiple items, more fruits to the fruits correct method. Fruits, apple, banana, cherry. Baba, বাবা, এখানে এসো বাবা, এখানে এসো বাবা, এখানে এসো, এখানে এসো। Okay, add iterable update, right? First dot update. Baba, we can. Python remove set items.